In this video, I will show you how to create running totals in a pivot table in Excel. This is useful when you want to see how values add up over time, such as tracking monthly sales or expenses. Let's begin with a simple example. Imagine we have a small table with 3 columns, one for the date, one for the product, and one for the sales amount. The table shows sales over several months for different products. First, click anywhere inside the data table. Then go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. In the pop-up window, choose to place the pivot table in a new worksheet. Then click OK. Now, in the Pivot Table field list, drag the Date field into the Rows area. Drag the Product field under the Date field, also in the Rows area. Then, drag the Sales Amount field into the Values area. You will now see total sales for each product grouped by date. To create a running total, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Values field. Then, click Value Field Settings. In the window that opens, click on the Show Values as tab. From the drop-down list, select Running Total In. Then, choose the Date field in the Base Field box. Click OK. You will now see running totals for each product over time. Each value adds to the previous one, showing how the numbers grow month by month. If you want to remove the individual product breakdown and just see total sales over time, you can drag the product field out of the rows area. And that's how you create running totals in a pivot table in Excel. Thanks for watching.